A little bit.
What's up, my nigga?
Seriously, don't say that. Ready? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
What's up, SB Squad? We're back with another video. It's your boy Chochi.
And nigga Chamia. And your girl Victoria. Yeah, so as you can tell by the title of this video, we are doing the video where you eat yucky things or like sour things, but you can't have like a reaction. Have to be normal faced. So we're just gonna give you like a little rundown. We got some sour patch, the extreme sour flavor. Onions, guys. I've already cut like pieces.
Apple cider vinegar.
Yep.
Chili sauce.
Yep. MCT oil. MCT oil isn't that bad, but like they're not used to it, so.
Salty vinegar, crinkle cut.
And Siaosi hates beef jerky. I love beef jerky. I love beef jerky.
Lemonade.
And I've already got our cups here of apple cider vinegar. Oh my gosh. Smell it. Ooh. You can't do that face, me.
This is our challenge to dedicate all our subscribers who are loyal fans of us. So this is the challenge.
Okay, so we're gonna try and go in alphabetical order. Otherwise, we're just not gonna pick. So the first one on the list that starts with A is this one. It's an apple cider vinegar. If y'all don't know, I'm gonna make it very clear.
Yeah.
You cannot do this face, this one,
this one, or this
or this one. Okay? No, none of those things. Just like this.
Just normal face. If you drink, it's hard to you. No more like me.
You should get a common pepper for the onion. So we might bite you. Okay, Mia, you got this one. Guys,
I got this one. We got an Audi.
I always drink apple cider, but I can never get used to the smell.
Because you used to mix with water.
This is mixed with water.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
But it's too strong, man.
No, that's the color it's meant to be. When Aussie makes his apple cider vinegar, it looks like water. You can't even tell that you put anything in there. Yes, you have to. As soon as the food touches your mouth, then you can't do the face. Yeah. For each food. Yeah. You know what I mean? Okay, guys.
Next on the latest from 7 News, new details surrounding the downing of MH17, the suspect's name, and how William and Kate were caught up in a crash that injured a woman in her 80s. All the stories coming on the latest from 7 News.
So delicious. Was that delicious? Very delicious.
You didn't lie. You said that delicious.
No, I didn't. Go, hurry up. We all advance to the next level. Okay, what's after A? Is there anything B? Beef jerky. So we're gonna try the beef jerky. I don't think Silmia's tasted this, I'm not sure. But Aussie does not like beef jerky. He gags at it. I love beef jerky. So I'ma pass this one with flying colors. It's beef. Okay.
This is what make you feel.
The other officers checked on the female and determined that she had no pulse. She had no respirations. She was infected. He said his son.
Don't do that. I saw your hand was going to go to your mouth. No, it's under your tongue. Hurry up. I advanced to the next level.
I advanced to the next level.
It's still in your mouth. I know your mouth, Aussie, your stinky mouth. I know when there's food in there.
You stinky mouth.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Did you finish, Shimia?
One more. Did you like it? See, she liked it. Beef jerky's delicious.
Easy.
So after B is C, which is chili sauce. I mean, I know it's sauce, but it's actually cayenne pepper sauce. Ooh. So we got teaspoons here. So I'm gonna put it on their spoon because I know Aussie's gonna cheat.
Why am I gonna cheat? I'm the best.
Hold on, guys. We'll come back when all of these spoons are full.
You see, guys? That's full.
It smells so chilly.
Chili like a thing.
Oh my gosh, we probably won't be able to finish the rest. Okay, it hasn't touched my lips yet, so I can do that face. 3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
Go.
How is it? Swallow it.
Good evening and welcome. I'm Michael Usher, and here's the latest from Seven News this Wednesday evening. New shot down MH17. Suspects named, murder charges laid. Investigators have just spoken. We'll hear from them.
I did the face. Oh, I lost that one. I got 1 point. Why did I do that face?
Yeah.
I forgot the
Team
name of the
Aussie,
game.
you know, guys. Team Aussie.
Guys, I got 1 point against my name. That means I'm gonna amp it up and not do that face again. So D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. L.
Lemon.
Yeah. Why did I do that face? I completely forgot about the challenge when I ate that sauce. I just was like,
1, 2, 3, go.
These men have direct links to the Russian military. One is a former defense minister. The other was involved in the conflict on the
oh my god.
between them. These four
I'm laughing at your music.
from what happened with the shooting of that missile back to the Russian government. This missile
So sweet.
coming in from Russia in the days before the shooting of MH17.
Really sweet.
Just eat the butt. Eat the butt.
It smells so yummy. I love the smell of lemon.
Lamb warm up. Eat the butt.
You're gone for that.
And they have gradually
Look.
these four men. So they have now issued international arrest warrants and asked Russia and Ukraine.
I love
That's
the
easy.
smell of it.
That's easy.
L, M. We got MCT oil, so get your spoons again.
MCT oil.
Under Section 289 of the Dutch Criminal
Wow.
Straight.
March next year in The Hague, and that this is
Oh no.
Told you.
You have
to be careful.
Very silly, this too. Very silly, guys.
Okay, I'm going in. Us.
Wait, I want to see it.
Right before you call me, hold up. Right before you text me, hold up.
Look at me.
Right before you hit me. Okay,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, you drop it. Shh, you drop it.
dropped it when? Oh, she made your face! Yes, he did. Did you see it? Did you see it? Oh, she got a point.
No.
Oh, she got a point. Oh, she got a point.
No, I don't have a point. I said.
No.
Easy.
I will show on the video when I edit it.
No.
You can't do any
Guys,
face, Josie. I said you can't do
Comment down below if it's right.
Now, okay, LMN.
Oh, be cute on STU. Be the bird as my say.
STU, be the bird as my say.
Guys, we got the onion.
Onion. You need to lump the onion. Lump.
This is my piece.
What a cheater.
No, you can just get the long one and cut it this side, yeah.
This is my piece.
I took the whole thing.
Oh,
Really?
1, 2, 3.
Wait, do it properly this part. Go Aussie first.
You go first.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna gag. I can feel it. It's coming up.
This guys, I'm gonna see this guys first. You guys first.
Yeah,
Yeah. 1.
2, 3.
No, you do it yourself.
But I want to see you guys.
Yeah, we will when we're ready. She's like, you have to swallow it. You have to swallow it. Look at her face. She did so well.
Oh my, isn't that?
How was
He
it?
swallowed.
Was it yuck?
Yeah.
Young.
He throw it straight in and swallow.
Nè ayun. Ay sa
Any lang naman din bet pero.
So what? It doesn't matter. As long as it goes in your... I can't do it, guys! Actually, this might be a good idea with the onion. I mean, I love salt and vinegar chips, but some people don't. They think it's sour. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. This is not even sour.
Hey, you do your face. Yeah. This is the easy one, guys. He's not.
I honestly thought the beef jerky and the salt and vinegar chips will throw them off. Because Siaosi gags when he eats beef jerky. The next one we're gonna do is the Sour Patch. You have to put 10 in your mouth, otherwise it's gonna be too easy.
And then chewing. You need to chew it.
No, you have to suck it. Ready?
1,
3, 2, 1.
Oh! Got it!
I love it. I love Sour Patch. It's sour than sweet. This is so bad for you. GMO, glucose syrup from wheat and corn. So bad but so good. Guys,
Why I
we
see
did the sour
that face, it's
rainbow.
easy. I said,
Sour rainbow strips.
look up this one. Me.
No, doing the face, remember?
Go.
Oh my god, this is so sour. Oh, this pie is so sour. Oh my god.
Hey, face up, face up. Oh, face up, face up.
Ew, you look so hard. That was a sour egg. Oh, shame it's getting sour now. Suck it.
Oh, that's not good.
They can now do this simply on the basis of medical record. This is important because Nauru in particular has been blocking any telemedicine consultations with asylum seekers there by Australian doctors. So they simply weren't able
That's it. That's it, guys.
No.
What?
Hurry up and eat it.
Eat it. It's finished.
I'm gonna watch these videos and see who cheated. Is it finished? Well, let me get some more sour in me. So to battle it out, we've got a bonus round, and we got cinnamon. I love cinnamon so much.
So you love it. You love it. That's why you bring it.
Yeah, but it's hard to eat because it's so spicy. You ready, guys? Cinnamon! Watch our faces.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let's see, stop!
You know, Ash, we complain about 6 or 7 weeks in the election campaign. This is 17 months of campaigning. When are we going to see a chosen Democrat opponent to go up against Mr. Trump?
Yeah, it's a marathon election cycle. We won't see a Democratic candidate until next year. But certainly we're seeing Joe Biden already getting a lot of airtime, and he's someone that seems to be getting under the president's...
Mas eu digo, vamos para o primeiro ano. Vamos.
Yeah, baby.
Nah, baby.
I won that because I finished first. No, it's whoever clears their mouth first. So guys, you're looking at the new champion of Yucky Foods No Reaction winner. Shout out to my family. Shout out to God. Thank you for this opportunity.
I'm the winner. I'm the winner.
No, because if you didn't react, then it's whoever eats it first. If you want to go again, let's go again.
Yes. 1, 2, 3. Done.
Your tongue is still black.
It doesn't matter. It's black or milk. Nah. Black. Guys, I already win.
It's in my nose. Oh my gosh, guys.
You know.
Thank you
I
so
already
much.
finished.
Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up.
Check out the
Subscribe.
Look.
Hit the bell. Become a VIP member to get our notifications.
No.
Comment down your favorite part. Timestamp the minute.
Comment down.
We love you guys.
I win.
Simia's last challenge video with us before she heads back to Samoa. Wish her well. Show her some love. But we love you guys so much. You're looking at the new champ. SB Squad signing out. I'm the champ. Guys, I am definitely the winner. This does not count. Look at him gargling it back out. Look at him. Look at him. I am the winner. If there was any doubt in your mind, you better remove it now. Remove that doubt right now.